Hey guys, it's your girl Shelby from Shelby Fine Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my vegetable rice with codfish, okay? Let me show you guys what I have. As you can see, I have all my ingredients. I have fresh parsley and 2 tomatoes, okay? And thyme, orange peppers, bell peppers, and green bell peppers, and tomato paste. And this little tiny tomatoes, guys, I'm going to save it for my rice at the end. Okay, I have 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, here I have my vegetable um, for my rice, or my vegetable mixed vegetables. Okay, and here I have my codfish, okay, already cooked, okay, well marinated. And what I did, guys, this portion, I'm going to cook it with the rice, and then this part, I'm going to leave it and all the way to the end, okay? So that's it. And also, I have my green peas I made last week. I'm going to use, okay? And of course, I have my jasmine rice. Okay, I don't need too much rice, guys, because when I'm cooking my rice, my vegetable rice, this is what I want to see the most in my rice and my fish. Okay, so now what we're going to do now, we're going to start cooking our epis first. Okay, this amount. Okay, by the way, guys, I have vegetable oil in the pot. Okay, it's already warmed up. Okay, now I'm adding my thyme, my tomato paste, tomatoes. Okay, green bell peppers, and my orange bell peppers. Guys, this food, when I make it, it's so delicious. My family eats it. The reason why I'm adding the codfish, guys, because without the fish, my kids are not gonna eat it like that, just like that, with the vegetable rice. They don't really like vegetable. Okay, so I just added my parsley, fresh parsley. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some garlic powder. Okay, my APs already have everything in it, guys, but just a little extra I'm adding. Okay, onion powder. Okay, now black pepper. Okay, and ginger powder, guys. Always add that in my food. It's good for you. Okay, now mix it up. Guys, it smells so good already. It smells so delicious. Okay, now I'm adding my tomato paste. You know what, guys? I forgot to grab my coconut milk. I'm going to add some coconut milk also. I'm going to grab that in a minute. Okay, now I'm mixing up my tomato paste with everything else. This recipe, guys, it's very easy to make. Very easy, guys. Okay, now let me cover it up, and then when we will come back, guys, I'm going to grab my coconut milk. When we come back, we'll finish up. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, I have my coconut milk, Goya. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add my vegetables. Okay, let me give it a stir. Okay, now I'm going to add my salt. Okay, and my bouillon. One big spoon. Okay. I think I need a little bit of olive oil, guys. It looks a little bit dry. Okay. That's enough. That should be it. Okay, you have to mix everything in, guys, for the salt and the bouillon. Okay, now I'm adding my coconut milk. You have to shake it very good, guys. Okay, I'm going to let that cook a little bit for 5 minutes, and then when we come back, guys, we'll add some warm water in it. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now I have my warm water. Okay, you see that, guys? Everything mixed up. Okay, now water. Okay. Hey guys, I'm going to have lots of vegetables. Look at that. Okay, that's how I like when I make my rice, guys, to look just like that. Okay, when it's dry, and then you're gonna see all my vegetables, my codfish. Okay, so now I'm going to put the lid on it, and then when we come back, I have to let the water boil, and then when we come back, we'll add our rice. Okay, come back. Guys, my rice just washed. Okay, and my water is boiling. Okay, before I start doing anything, I'm going to add my fish, the one that I saved. Okay, so everything can just cook all together, guys. Okay, now I can add my rice. Guys, honestly, I just can't wait, because whenever I'm cooking, guys, it's just me. I don't know about you guys. Whenever I'm cooking my food, I just can't wait to just start eating it. Yeah, because I love food, guys. Yeah, I love to eat. Okay, stir it up. Okay, let me give it a taste. I don't think I need anything, guys, but just to make sure. Oh my sweet Jesus, this is so delicious. Okay, going to cover it up, guys, and then when we come back, everything should be ready to go. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now it's time for me to add my other part of the fish. Okay, let me show you the big piece I saved. Okay, there it is, the rice already ready, guys. It's ready to go. Okay, now let me add my fish. It looks so beautiful, guys. Guys, honestly, I can't wait to taste that delicious food. You see all my mixed vegetables, guys, stay in the rice on top, because I didn't cook too much, a lot of rice. Okay, now I'm going to give it like 10 minutes, guys. Okay, and then when we come back, everything should be, my plates, everything should be ready to go. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now everything's ready. Let me show you guys my plates. Okay, I have 2 plates. Okay, one for my thumbnail and then one for me to eat. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to garnish it with my tomatoes that I saved. Okay, just a little tiny. And then for this guy, this is my plate, guys. Okay, and some parsley. Okay, that's it. It's very easy, guys. This is a delicious, very easy recipe, guys. Whatever you want to call it, guys. This is so easy, guys. No time at all. Okay, there it is. Okay, you see all my fish. Okay, and this little guy for me. Okay, so yep, that's it, guys. If you guys like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Remember to share with your family and friends, okay? And leave a comment about this recipe, and let me know if you wanna, of course, you gotta try it, and let me know how everything comes out, okay? So now it's time for me to try my delicious vegetable rice. The first bite was actually for you guys. You see that big chunk? Okay? I have to blow on it. Guys, this is so delicious. I have to swallow. Okay? Thank you for being with me, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye.